Peace, beautiful people. I'm Courtney Brooke. Welcome back to the space where we make professional growth feel grounded and human. If you're starting your journey to become a CASAC, this video will walk you through exactly what you'll need to complete, the 4 learning domains and the 11 required trainings that help you grow, not just as a professional, but as a compassionate counselor. The CASAC educational pathway is divided into 2 parts. The first part consists of 350 hours of structured training across 4 domains. The second part includes 11 independent trainings that expand your knowledge and readiness in key areas. Part 1, Domain 1. Here you'll cover knowledge of alcohol and other drugs as well as 85 of the 350 hours. This is your foundation. You'll explore the history of alcohol and other drugs, mutual support groups, and the biopsychosocial impacts on brain and body. You'll also touch on tolerance, signs and symptoms, medications and recovery, as well as risk and protective factors. This domain helps you meet people where they are and provide person-centered care while understanding how science, policy, and treatment systems interact. Part 1, Domain 2. Here you'll cover counseling theories and practice as well as 150 of the 350 hours. Now here is where heart meets skill. You'll explore different counseling approaches, adapt your personal counseling style as well as teaching style, and practice evidence-based strategies. This includes verbal and nonverbal cues, psychoeducational groups, crisis management, and trauma-informed care with attention to special populations, including cultural competency and co-occurring disorders. This focus is on helping clients feel heard, supported, and empowered while preventing reoccurrence. Part 1, Domain 3. This part covers mostly the 12 core functions of counseling, including screening, assessment, treatment planning, and much more. It also will cover 70 of the 350 hours. Here, you'll learn to use screening tools, conduct assessments, and create individualized treatment plans. This domain also covers case management, referrals, coordination of care, and electronic health records. Skills include asking open-ended questions, affirming, reflecting, and summarizing to guide collaborative planning while considering co-occurring disorders and mental health needs. Part 1, Domain 4. Here you'll cover professional and ethical responsibilities as well as the final 45 of the 350 hours needed. This domain focuses on ethics, boundaries, client relationships, and counselor wellness. You'll learn about confidentiality, professional integrity, and stress management, ensuring that services are helpful rather than harmful. Acting with care and responsibility is at the core of effective counseling practices. Part 2, the 11 required trainings. Alongside the 350 hours, there are 11 supplemental trainings, each expanding your practical skills and readiness. These trainings include a mandated child reporter training, supporting recovery with medication training, a person-centered care training, cannabis use disorder training, opioid overdose prevention basics training, a tobacco use and nicotine dependence training, a harm reduction as part of a treatment continuum training. There's also a training for monitoring suicide, a training for professional boundary reporting, as well as trainings regarding disparities in overdose as well as opioid use disorder. Upon completion of the 11 required trainings, you'll receive certificates of completion that you'll later submit to your course provider. Your course provider will then provide you with an overall certificate of completion, which indicates that you not only completed the 11 trainings, but also completed the 350 hours. 350 hours plus 11 trainings equal CASAC educational requirement complete. If you have decided to take this course, I want to remind you to give yourself grace during this process. Each class and training is shaping you into a competent, compassionate counselor. Keep your certificates organized, celebrate each milestone, and remember, progress is the goal, not perfection. If this helped you feel more confident about the CASAC process, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone else preparing for their certification. Again, my name is Courtney Brooke, and I'm sending you encouragement and clarity for the path ahead. See you next time. Peace.